Please don't do that to him. Watch the dolphins, Orange. This is a very rare occasion.
Yeah.
You see those fish like
Jess said she hadn't seen any in a while. Oh, see it. There's a bunch.
they're chasing those fish.
Why are they chasing the fish? Maybe
They're having their lunch.
because they're hungry.
It's lunchtime for the dolphins.
Oh. No, I didn't know it was a lunchtime.
Wow, there's a ton of them.
You zoomed in on that.
How do I do that?
Push your thumb up. You see that fish like skipping across the surface? The dolphin's right behind. See that?
Huh? Yep. Are you girls seeing this? Well, hopefully I'll get some video and you can see it.
Here comes another batch.
You can see it when the water's churned up.